What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we have Carl from the moon. He's going to give us his opinion on where the Bitcoin price could potentially go in this summer. He's going to give us the bearish scenario and the bullish scenario. We're going to take a look at BNB also and the Bitcoin dominance to see if there's going to be another alt season coming. Carl from the moon, how are you doing today?
Hello, I'm doing fantastic. I'm very happy to be back on the channel here again. I think Bitcoin Census is one of the undervalued channels out there. I think you're gonna blow up very soon, so I'm happy to be back.
Thank you, Carl, very, very much. Let's pull out the chart and give us your opinion on where do you see the Bitcoin price for the summer of 2021.
Yep, let me pull up the chart right now. All right, so here we are on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. And we can see that it sure looks like we are in a bull trend here, and we are in a bull run, in a bull market. And looking at the weekly, first of all, maybe we can take a look at that, because I use a indicator called the EMA ribbon. I like this ribbon because it shows us if we are in a bull trend or a bear trend. On the weekly time frame, we are above the ribbon, which means that we are in a bull trend on Bitcoin on the weekly. Going to the daily, however, you can see that right now, as we are recording this collaboration here, we are below the daily, which means that we are technically bearish on the daily time frame, and this ribbon is at 55K. So in order for me to flip bullish on the daily time frame, Bitcoin has to break above 55.5 thousand approximately. Going into the 4-hour time frame, we can see that Bitcoin is bullish, and we are above the 4-hour ribbon, and we're getting supported by it right now. So you can see that I basically flipped bullish right here on the 4-hour, and we're getting a bounce maybe right now. So we could see something like this. But obviously, if we break this level, the ribbon at 53.7, then I would have to flip back to bearish on the 4-hour time frame.
Right.
If we move into the 1-hour, we can see that Bitcoin is right now trying to break back above it. So we will have to see how that plays out. Now, we can also see that Bitcoin is potentially forming a bull flag right here, or at least it's a channel. And obviously, if we break the resistance here, we could see a nice pop to the upside. I would say we could see something like this, maybe like 61.3K. But I really want to see a clean break above the daily EMA ribbon before
turning bullish.
Yeah, exactly. So I think that's very important, very important. And also down here we got this, some people call this the Batman pattern, or reverse Batman pattern. You can also call it a double bottom or so, but essentially we went bullish here. We broke above the neckline here, and we saw a very nice pop to the upside. And Bitcoin is essentially looking bullish on the weekly, bearish on the daily, bullish on the 4-hourly. That's my summary for Bitcoin right now.
Right. So you think what I want to know, maybe your bearish and bullish scenario for the summer. Where do you see? I know it's very hard to kind of predict, but do you see us having a higher correction, probably going to the 40% correction from its high? Because I think now currently it's about 29 or 25, 29 correction all the way down to the $47,000 levels. So
yeah, well, the bearish scenario, let's just bring up the EMA, the Fibonacci retracement tool. We can see that the bearish scenario could take us down to 25K approximately. That's the golden pocket here at the Fibonacci level.
Yeah.
That could happen within the next 2-3 months if we go really bearish. I'm not sure if that's likely or not. I would say maybe 30% chance, maybe 20% chance. Something like this. So I'm not really bearish in that sense. The bullish scenario, I would say that I don't have a clear target, because I don't see a clear pattern from which we can extrapolate, but I would definitely say that we could easily see something like $70,000-$80,000 within the next 2-3 months if we get another break above the all-time high. So that's my bullish and bearish scenario.
Okay, good to hear. Good to hear. Yeah, because once you break all-time highs, it's very, very difficult to predict, right? What's the price target? It's price discovery. So we could go as high as 100K All right, then. Well, thank you very much for giving your opinion on Bitcoin. Can we pull out the charts for BNB? I've had a lot of comments on people asking for the Binance coin. What price predictions or what patterns can you see in the immediate short term?
Yeah, this is Binance coin, and we can see a clear ascending triangle forming right here for Binance coin. If we break above the resistance, then this is the target. You see like so. This gives us a target of $800 approximately. So if you want to go long on Binance coin, that's a 35% increase in price approximately. So yeah, but I would not touch it until we actually break the neck or the resistance here. So the resistance is approximately $600. So if we see this clean break above 600, then I would see a $200 pump in Binance coin.
So the bullish scenario would be breaking the resistance point, which is at about 591 levels and going all the way up to $800, right? So what would it be the bearish scenario? Would the bearish scenario breaking the support of the ascending triangle, right?
Exactly. Breaking the support here, I think we could easily see something like a dump back down to $360, something like this.
Well,
I wouldn't necessarily short this, but I would long if we break above the resistance. Yeah, that's my opinion.
now, one of the most important charts that a lot of people want to take a look is the Bitcoin dominance to see if there is going to be an alt season in the next coming months, or is Bitcoin going to have a reverse in the dominance going back up to 60% or 70%?
Yeah, so this is the Bitcoin dominance chart, and we can see that Bitcoin or the dominance broke this very, very key level here. And ever since that point, we've seen a massive season, and that's exactly as I predicted over on my channel. And well, this support is right here, and we can see that. Well, I was thinking maybe we can see a bounce from here, but it looks like we're just breaking it all together here, which means that the altcoin season continues to rage. So I believe that in the next 1, 2, 3 months, we're probably going to continue to see altcoins do well. So it makes sense to have exposure to altcoins, in my opinion.
Okay, great. Yeah, because I can see, I mean, I've been checking out this chart also because of you. You pull it out quite a few times on your channel, and we can see that the 50% level, 49, 50% level in April of 2018, I think it is. There is a clear peak there. So that must be major support to break also, because what I can see in the chart from April of 2018. So maybe if we break the 50% level, we could actually go down to 40% in dominance.
That would be crazy, but yeah, it's possible. It's possible.
That would be a huge alt season coming, right?
Massive, massive, absolutely massive.
Carl, thank you very much for sharing your knowledge and the charts. So this is going to be it for this episode, this interview. So thank you very much for your time, for sharing the charts. And I hope we can do another collaboration very, very soon once this bull run continues.
Yeah, guys, if you enjoy having me on the Bitcoin Sensor channel, smash the likes, smash the likes.
Definitely smash up the like button, guys.
How many likes do you think we can reach?
At least 200 likes, at least 200 likes.
Okay,
Definitely.
200. I'm going to come back to this video when it's uploaded. I'm going to make sure that it's 200 likes, all right?
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Carl, for being on the channel.
Cool, cool. Thank you so much.